Hello, welcome to this tutorial. It's a tutorial that is going to walk you through and what you need to do for you to qualify for the voucher. We have already discussed this in our engagement meeting, but what you need to do after enrolling into a particular course, there are five of them, but I'm using security as an example. You need to go ahead and click on Start Learning. After when you click on Start Learning, a new page is going to load, which looks like this. On this new page, you will see something about course detail. You will see this is HCIA, a professional certification in the security version 4.0, and from it you'll see a button which says continue. So you'll go ahead and click on the continue button. So I'm going to click on continue button. These are the details about the course. So after clicking on start learning, you click on continue or enroll if you're accessing it for the very first time, and then it will take you to this learning self-paced learning page which has the percentage. Now remember the percentage we talked about, the percentage we need for us to complete is at least 80%. So what you need to do, you need to go through all these items to just make sure that you have that 80% percentage. So what you do, on every item, you just click on next. You will see that my percentage is going to increase from 0 to now, after also viewing this and clicking on next, to now 1%. I don't have to watch this entire video like I communicated earlier. All I need to do is to just view it. After viewing it, I go to the next one as long as it's marked complete. So I've skipped through it about 18 minutes. So I'll go to the next one that is marked complete. So I'll select the next item on my left menu, and then I'll also go ahead and do the same, skip through it, make sure
Watching.
uh, I've completed it. Yep, perfect. I have a tick on it. Go to the next one. As you can see, my percentage is already increasing within less than 30 seconds. I am already on 4%. So repeat the same for this as well, and go through the different required items on the menu. So I'll skip through, just all you need to do is skip through those videos, and then I've captured that as well, 5%. Come here as well, and then skip through those videos, and then yeah, my percentage keeps on increasing. By the time you finish about the fourth, sixth chapter, I'm sure you would have reached about 80%. So after, when you're done, please don't forget to always attempt the quizzes, the in quizzes which are here. You can attempt them at least a number of times. Some good number of times. You can, of course, get the score, and you just click on start quiz. They bring for you some questions. You can refer to the preparation guides I shared with you, and then you are able to finish. There's usually about one or two questions. As you can see, I have passed two out of three, so I have a zero fail. But you can also click on view answers, and then you can see what the right answer is. So they're also good as far as preparing you is concerned. Now, after when you're done, the other thing I need to mention is the final mock exam. This is the mock exam that is available on the platform. You, after hitting your percentage, you go to the final mock exam. Please make sure that you all do this, and you click on start answering on this final mock exam. As you can see, for you to pass, you need to get 600 out of 1000, and these are the duration of minutes available. But it's very easy to pass this mock exam, simply because all the preparation guides, the dumps, the valid questions and answers are provided. So it's very easy for you to go ahead and pass. So you click on start answering, and then it will take you to another page, which is going to allow you to go ahead and do that particular mock exam. So mine is loading depending on your connectivity. You should be able to uh, get to this page, which has exam records, which has the mock exam, when you're supposed to start. We recommend that you use either Chrome or Edge for you to access this mock exam. So after, when you are ready, you go ahead and click on start. and it's asking me that screen sharing is not allowed, switching is not allowed. So you need to go ahead and the screen sharing will be automatically handed in, checking the exam. So they make sure that you have read those things and agreed. So after agreeing, you just click on OK, and then the exam is going to load. So as you're doing the exam, please try not to navigate away from it. But as you can see, let me just take a screenshot of this. So these are the some of the questions which are coming along. So that is the first question. So you read through and then you select what you think is the answer. Like that, you read through and select what you think is the answer, the end of the question. So when you're ready, about what the particular thing you do, you go ahead and submit. It will give you a summary of the questions you have done, and then you go ahead and click on submit. It is asking me that I've left 56 questions unanswered, but of course don't leave 56 questions unanswered, right? So just picked at random, you can see already I have 15 score, and correctly answered question, it is 1 out of 60. So I only answered one question correct, but I already have 15 points as well. So after when you're done, you'll be required to, of course, take a screenshot of something that looks like that and upload it together with a percentage rate on a Google form, which I'll share with you. And then we are able to process your voucher before we start our classes. Then when we start our classes, we are very sure we are preparing you for certifications, and only to pass and get and be certified as a security, as an data communications officer, as a 5G professional, or as a cloud computing engineer, depending on the exam you take. So that is how we can do that. You can see how you answered your questions, and your answer was wrong, and it can show you even what the correct answer is. All right. So you can be able to look at that feedback, and you can go through the different questions depending on what you want to achieve with the correct answers.